Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Italian dressing at home. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil and 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Don't forget 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. These foundational elements are key to achieving that authentic, vibrant flavor profile we all love in a classic Italian dressing. Next, let's build on those flavors with a perfect herb blend. Incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme for a truly aromatic experience. For a little warmth, add a small pinch of red pepper flakes. Finally, season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to enhance all the delicious components. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour all your measured ingredients into a jar with a tight-fitting lid. Secure the lid firmly and shake the jar vigorously for about 30 seconds. This action helps to emulsify the oil and vinegar, creating a smooth, cohesive dressing. If you prefer, you can also whisk everything together in a bowl until thoroughly blended. Once prepared, your delicious homemade Italian dressing is ready for storage. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Before serving, let it sit out for a few minutes to reach room temperature, and always give it a good shake to re-emulsify. This versatile dressing is perfect for salads, marinating meats, or drizzling over roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.